How's it going, guys? I got something new for the boat. It's a shallow water anchor by Noel Industries. Pretty awesome stuff. I took a peek at it when it first was delivered, and it looks beautiful. Ooh, nice, good stuff. Very quality, quality welds on there. And unbox everything. I'll be right back and show you what is in this box. So, what is in the box? It's all the goods. Wrapped up very well. So what you get, there is the piece that hangs over. Got that. You got this piece. It comes with nice stainless hardware. A bunch of stickers here. And got a little keychain holder also. That's pretty nice actually. Good looking stuff there. Oh, what else we have? What else? All right, here's the bracket. So this shallow water anchor is meant to fit on your VersaTrack system. Like all the trackers have them. Excel has the VersaTrack, the T-Track system. So if you have a system, if you have a rail system like this, where you can just bolt things to the rail, this is gonna work. And you can get this for the 45-degree angle like the express boats have, or you can get it with the straight 90-degree angle also. So, all right, here are the components. You got the bracket that actually holds the pole. You got the T-bolts for this bracket, pole bracket, and the shallow water anchor. Look at the quality of these welds. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is beautiful. Is it not? What's going on, guys? It is 2 days later, and I finally got time to come out here and finish up this install on the shallow water anchor. Anyway, where were we? I got the tools, got most of the tools ready here. I got the hardware back out. So what I got is a 13mm for the bolt side, the acorn nut side, I have a 14. Anyway, let's get this stuff like partly assembled and be on our way. All right, first we're going to put together this pole bracket, pole holder. We'll put the pole holder bracket together first. Okay. Drop that in. Gonna go like this. Pole going across, clipping right in like that. Get the washer on there. All right, back. All right, nice. All right. There we go. Oh, I see. Ingenious. So, I was wondering why they don't have spacers here. That looked kind of odd at first. If you notice, these acorn nuts actually work as the spacer, so it keeps it from sliding back and forth too much. See that? That's pretty cool. And check it out. So when you deploy it, you can store it inside like that. And when you deploy it, boom. And then all you do is throw your anchor right in. There's a pretty big anchor. Just like so. Boop. Okay. That's pretty good. There you go. So you can go in some pretty deep water, because look at this. That's a 12. Actually, it's at least 12 feet. That's a 12-footer right there. So you can go in 10 feet of water and anchor. Look how tall that is. See how that works in the water. Okay, I got the pole in position to see the length of it and see the position of the other mount. It's going to be way yonder over here. Let's see how that looks. Where is it? There it is. So I have it where it needs to be down there. Now over here, there's another story. Let me clip it. Yeah, nice. Let's go ahead and get that pre-mounted, shall we? Okay, here we go. We have, I think we know the location that we want. This is gonna be it. Right here. That is looking good. And the good thing is, it clears my rod holder too. I was worried about that. So, anywho, let's get this sucker mounted. Again, let's get these in there. Put them in sideways. And then back into the vertical position. Get them lined up. Come on. You gotta talk to it too. That helps. Always helps to talk to it. Let's get them hand tight first, and then we'll finish them off with the old socket. As usual, torque it down to good and tight. Usually I turn it until it stops by hand and then give about a quarter turn, and that's gonna do it. It's gonna be about it. That will get you very close and snug and keep it from backing out. If you just get it tight and stop, they usually come out. Anytime there's a situation where there's a lot of vibration, and like a motorcycle, boats, cars, anything that's moving, going down the road, you have lots and lots of vibration. Here's one thing I don't like. Okay, here's one thing I don't like right now. I don't like how far it sits out. Look how many inches that is. It comes out. I'm thinking if I buy another bracket like that and I place it about here, midway through, yeah, it's gonna bring in like that. Oh, and look at that, how much better that looks, and keeps it out of the way. Let me see what I can do about that. But for now, it is installed and the system's in place. So, and as usual, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.